Back again, my Runaway Princesses. This time I've had it printed with CreateSpace, Amazon, and this book has got a really nice pink colour. I've done extra pictures, as you know, over the years, and there's pictures on every page now, and it's got a really nice feel about it. It's got a comic book feel, and you can see how big it is. I thought it would be actually bigger, but it's I haven't got a very big hand, but it's about 8.5 by 8.5. It's a square book, so it's very nice to handle. And also in this book, I've got the Irish game in Gaelic, Stalk Amach Threina Finyoiga, that we learned at school when I was a little girl. I put it in this language for the first time. So it's just beautiful. I'm really happy with it. It's not so expensive as the one that I got published at Ex Libris, because that's a hardcover and it's got really silky pages. This one's, the pages are smooth, but they're not that silky fabric, so they're not as expensive. So this is more economical for children, and it feels like a really robust little book. So I'd say to you, come on in, buy one of these books while they're available. They're around $30 in Amazon, and I think you'll be really happy. I'd love to hear your views about it. So thank you for this. Thank you for looking here, and I just did this for you. So please enjoy it.